up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. And as titled, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your nails at home. These press-ons were sent to me by My Nails. They sent me 5 different design press-on nails. Of course, there's only 4 in here because in my weekly vlog, I demonstrated like a little demonstration of how I applied the nails and how they looked, and I really liked them. I kind of want to do these. So inside comes, you know, the little display of the nails, and then at the bottom it's some other nails, the same design and everything, but in different sizes so that you can match it according to your finger. Okay guys, so we have the adhesive tabs, we have the alcohol, the nail file, and the cuticle stick, and we have the nails. So what I'm going to do first is measure them out or place them on my fingertips to see what fits my fingertips. All right, now we're going to file, push with the cuticle, and clean with the alcohol pad. Alright, so now that we have our nails filed and our cuticles pushed and cleaned with alcohol, now we're going to go ahead and place the adhesive and the nails. You just pick this up here. Pick this up and you stick it on to your fingertip like this. Make sure you spread that adhesive really good because you want the nail to stick on there good. And you just peel it back and you just have the adhesive tab or tape on there. You grab your nail and you place it where you want and you hold it for 15 seconds. I like to massage it to make sure. And this is what it looks like. Like you tug on it, like I'm really tugging. It's really strong, okay? I really like the thumb so far. So let's move on. So you have to be very careful with how you lift it, place it. Make sure you spread that adhesive and you peel it back. Grab the nail appropriate for that finger, place it, press it down for 15 seconds. You can do a little adhesive check. See, it ain't going nowhere. And like, look at that. So cute. Alright y'all, so I'm done with my nails. They look really, really good, as you can see. Like, yes, they're press-ons, but they look good. I'm ready to step out, okay? I'm ready to step out. Like, I like these. They come with the different designs. I really love the designs because like nowadays when you go get your nails done, to get designs like this, you're kind of paying like $200 versus you can get a pack of press-on nails. Like if you're on like your nails done really quick but you're on a budget but you want something really cute and affordable, you can definitely get you some press-on nails by My Nails. The link is going to be down in the description box. Like I said, they have different nail sizes. Like this is one of the coffin shapes because that's my favorite shape. They have coffin shape, they have natural, they have almond shape, they got the short nails, square. Like this is everything they have on their website. Feel free to go check them out. I don't know how to act like I'm gonna be talking like this all the time when somebody talks to me crazy. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And make sure you guys click the link down in the description box. Give a look at My Nails. Get y'all some My Nails, especially if you're in a quick hurry and you need your nails done, okay? And you don't got the funds, save you some money, honey, okay? And until next time, peace.